Alright, so we just went and looked at this crazy ass RV with this crazy ass old man. There's the last video. It does have small detailed pictures, a little bit of video in there. It stinks like mold. It smells like shit.
It'll take months to clean it up. It could be done. It'll take months.
It would need redone.
It needs new carpet. It needs paint. It needs, I don't know. Way too much.
It's a nightmare. Super nightmare. And it's, did I say it smells?
I could smell the mold the second the door opened.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Which is a shame because in its day it was a very nice model. Had a huge awning, had tons of storage, nice and spacious, but it was left to go.
Big old 452, big bluff for all your gearheads out there. 20 board over the pistons. Oh, you know what that means to me? You know how much that motor's worth. I don't care how much that motor's worth. If it's a good motor, it gets me to point A to point B. I'm in an RV, I ain't trying to race the damn thing. That's, I don't know. So we messaged somebody about, another, RV. It's gonna be a hunt. That's definitely for sure. You ain't got no other leads on one other than that one?
The one in Monk's Corner that we were supposed to go see before 1 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
But that was one we financed. And there's another one on Facebook Marketplace. Once I get back to Civilization, pull over and I'll see.
Yeah, because this is...
But it was older. The one in Quartzville that you messaged, I think was a 94 or 95. So it's newer than the other one I saw.
Yeah. Kind of disappointing, really.
Oh, I'm super disappointed because the pictures of it made it look fairly decent.
I mean, he just wanted... I think that what it was is, you know, he was going to take so much money down, and he was going to make payments. You know, he's a 70-some-year-old man. That needed a lot of work. It needed the smell. The carpet would have had been ripped. Everything would have been ripped out. Probably new plywood, new paint. Ugh. So please, no way. It's gross. It's big spiders in the corner.
Yeah, I saw the spiders.
I'm not a fan of spiders. So I guess we're gonna keep looking and see where that goes. So stay tuned. Look for more episodes. Like, comment, subscribe.
The Great RV Hunt.
Yeah, our great RV hunt. Thanks for watching, you guys.